Alright everyone, so on the Jeep Liberty I'm going to show you how to change the top third brake light up there. Let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to be taking off these bolts right up here, and these are T25, so Torx 25. We're going to go ahead and get those removed, and just make sure you don't drop them, lose them, or misplace them. I mean, you can drop them, just don't misplace them. Alright, so those are moved. This will carefully just pop on out. There we go. And then we can untwist this from the housing. And there's our bulb. We'll go ahead and pop that guy out. Got him one-handed, and there we go. That's the culprit. And you can see he's burnt out, like he actually looks dark and black. Just so you can see against a lighter background, he is burnt out for sure. And you can see my box is pretty old and beat up here, but these are our new bulbs. They are 921 bulbs. And I could put a link in the description below for you to order them, and that also helps out the channel, so thank you. Alright, as long as your connector up here looks free of debris and clean, we can go ahead and pop this new bulb in. See if we can do it one-handed. And there we go, we got him in. And this is going to slide right back into this end of the housing, and it's going to turn clockwise. So just make sure these flanges on the side line up, and they will turn clockwise. And we can pop that back in place. It only fits in one way, and then we'll put these T25 screws back in. Just remember not to over tighten these, because this is a plastic covering, plastic housing. So once you get them nice and snug, that's it, they're in, and that's it, all the brake lights are fixed. Yeah! So hope that helped you guys out. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more, and we'll see you soon.